So as we take a look at number 12, the directions here are write the equation in slope-intercept form, state the slope and y-intercept, and graph the equation. All right, well, we hopefully are familiar now with slope-intercept form based on the first several problems that we've done here on the practice test. And we know that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And this is a nice form when graphing lines because when an equation is in slope-intercept form, m, the number in front of your x, is your slope. And then b, this constant, the number without a variable, is your y-intercept. And so when we have this form, it's really nice to graph. So let's go ahead and take this equation, which has been given to us in standard form, and let's rearrange it and put it into slope-intercept form. So they've given us 2x plus 5y equals 10. And now we want to put this in y equals mx plus b, meaning we want to solve for y, have y on one side and everything else on the other. So let's go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides, and that'll leave us with 5y equals negative 2x plus 10. And then solving for y, we'll go ahead and divide by 5 on both sides, and that'll leave us with y equals negative 2 over 5 x plus, and then 10 over 5 reduces nicely to just 2. And so now that we have rearranged our equation and it's in slope-intercept form, again, m, the number in front of the x, is our slope. So our slope for this line is negative 2 over 5. And our y-intercept is simply 2. So that is going to be 0, 2. And when you're graphing a line from slope-intercept form, the first thing you want to do is plot that y-intercept. That's your very first point. So let's go to 2 on the y-intercept, plot that point. And then from this point, we want to use our slope to graph the next point. And this slope, you'll recall, remember, slope is rise over run. Except in this case, we have a negative. And so instead of rising 2 units, we're going to actually fall 2 units. So we're going to fall 2 units and then run 5 units. So down 2 over 5. And there's our next point. And again, you'll recall all we need to graph a line is 2 points. And once we have 2 points, we can go ahead and connect those 2 points, and we have our line. And we have 2 points. So let's just go ahead and you guys know by now that I'm pretty bad at drawing straight lines freehand, as evidenced right there. All right, let's see. All right, that's not too bad. And there you have it. So we have taken our equation, again, which was given to us in standard form. We rearranged the equation to slope-intercept form. That way we could easily identify our slope and our y-intercept, and then we graphed this line. And so let's go ahead and make sure we've answered the question. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Well, we did that here. And state the slope. We did that here. M equals negative 2 over 5. And the y-intercept, we did that here. And then graph the equation, we did that here, and so we have answered all 4 parts completely.